Dream Income Earner Online, bringing you nothing but values, no fluff or BS. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get my videos right when I upload them. So in today's video, guys, I want to talk to you guys about starting your own home-based business. And I want to give you 5 tips to start your own home-based business. So tip number 1 is market research. Market research, guys, is highly recommended and is very important. Okay, so market research will allow you to determine if that product or service you are trying to sell and that market that you're trying to get into is worth it or not. So is it too competitive for me to be able to make money, or not? Market research will allow you to figure out if the product or service is something that people want right now. See, what happens usually is some people don't do the proper market research like they are supposed to, and they end up starting a business, selling a product that does not sell because they did not do the proper market research to figure out if people are searching for it, people are wanting it, people are buying it or not. Or on the other hand, it is a competitive market to where they are having hard time making it because there's so many competition going on in there. So market research is very important. It's going to help you early on determine if the market that you want to go into is a good market to go into or not. And 2 tools you guys can use to start your market research on the topic, product, or service that you are interested in is the number 1 search engine in the world, which is Google. Google will become your best friend. Use Google on everything that you want to find out. And the second one is YouTube, which is actually owned by Google. And of course, YouTube is another amazing, great search engine. So you can use that also to search about your topics that interest you. So my next tip is you have to come up with a business plan. And that is my tip 3. So after you have done your market research, then you have invested in the information that you need to invest in so you can become an expert and help people. Now I have to create a business plan, because anything that is only up here, that is a thought and it's not written down on paper, does not birth into life. Anything, again, that is just a thought, if you're just thinking it and not jotting it down, it is not going to birth into life because you're not seeing it. If you're not seeing it, you cannot hold it. And if you cannot hold it, you can not bring it into life. So you have to write down your business plan and in detail how much you want to make, the type of people you want to serve, your marketing plans, everything, your goals. You got to write those down so you can see them, because when you see them, you are able to work on them. If you have them up here, you're not going to do anything with it. So that is my tip 3, is formulating a business plan. So tip number 4 is going to be to launch your business. So after you have done your market research, then you invested into a professional so you can learn, not just the free 99. And then after that, you created a business plan. You know exactly what product or service you're selling, to whom you're selling it to, the problem you're solving, the money that you want to make. Now you have got to launch and let everybody know you're in business, okay? So that's tip 4, is you have to launch your business. If people don't know you're in business, if you just assume that people know you are in business, you're not going to get any sales. So you have to let your audience know that you are in business and ready to roll. You are open. You are selling your new hair cream, facial scrub. You are selling your lashes, your hair. You are selling your marketing services. You are selling, your designer clothes, whatever it is that you are selling. Let people know, not friends and family only, but everybody, okay? is running a brand awareness campaign. Oh my God, you are not going to believe how many people think just because they launched their brand new business that people are just going to come rushing in the door and purchasing from them. Okay? And when you do launch and you don't get no sale, or you get one or two here and there, and you get crickets for the most of your launch, you get in your feelings. You get mad. Listen, launching your business and a brand awareness campaign is two separate things. Launching people to let them know that you are in business. Are they going to come running, rushing to rescue you and just pour into your business? No, because honestly, whatever service or product that you are doing, other people are doing it. So why would they buy from the newbie, the rookie, and leave the professionals that been doing it and that have tons of reviews? So you have to run this brand awareness campaign to differentiate yourself from other brands and other businesses. You got to let them know why they should spend money with you. A brand awareness campaign is something that you run constantly throughout your business. Okay? As long as you have a business going, you run that brand awareness campaign because you are constantly, as a business owner, you are building that know, like, and trust factor. Okay? People are not going to buy unless they trust you. Before they trust you, they got to know you exist. That's why you launched in the first place. When now they know you exist, you have to give them something of value to them, right? To be able to like you, to start to develop that relationship, to build that leads up to trust, which leads up to cha-ching, cha-ching, money, okay? So brand awareness campaign is the last tip. It's my favorite tip. It is something that every business owner needs to constantly do at all times. And we done. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. That's all I have for you today. If you have gotten any kind of values out of this video, make sure you hit that like button above, and below comment which one of the tips is your favorite tip or stuck out to you the most. Again, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on my next video.